Weather Center on this December the 13th, 2020. Let me fire up that 7-day forecast right there. So we got some cold rain tonight. It's going to be out of here by sunrise tomorrow morning. And then we'll look ahead to a wintry mix potential for Wednesday. It looks like half the area could see some snow, the other half just plain rainfall. So we're going to take a look at all this here in just a second. Let me share tonight's Facebook Live to our First Alert Storm Team page. Thanks for watching here, our stream on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube streaming. Pretty nice weekend. Had highs in the 60s as expected, and now things are heading back to more like December this week. So some cool high temperatures, cold nights, and that little wintry mix as well. This Saturday we got another rain chance late in the day. Let's get a few hellos out there, and we'll move along here on this chilly and it was turning out to be a little bit wet Sunday night. Here at 10:03 p.m. we have Rita Harmon says no snow. Beverly Haggis from good old Borden, Indiana. Tanya Makowitz from Vine Grove. Linda Byers, thanks for sharing tonight's Facebook Live. Lee White, Joshua Violet, Sherry Butler says bring on the snow. And Trish Turner, yeah, we got the meteor shower tonight, but it doesn't really matter because can't see it with all the clouds out there. Daphne Monaco, thanks for watching here tonight. Sheila Sherrill from Greensburg. Let me hop over to the WHS 11 news page, and then we'll get rolling along here tonight. We'll check out the radar and FUTURECAST and help you plan out the week ahead in just a moment. All right, we have Julie Grubb, Diane Brom, Lynette Crawford, Tammy Dennis, Ashley, thanks for watching here tonight. Lloyd Bynum, Ellie Taylor, Sandy Ketterman, Ken McKinney from Bowling Green, Donna Bryan is driving from Jasper to Louisville early Wednesday morning. You can expect dry weather. Donna, no problems at all. Diane's asking about a white Christmas. Well, the GFS weather model on its very farthest data points, which would be right around December 24th, 25th, it was actually calling for a snow chance. But the weather models changed quite a bit that far out. So still a little too far for any real accurate forecasting for Christmas Day. Diane Horn from Munfordville, Kellen Rose, Lewis Shaw, Nicholas Hone from Walton Beach, Florida. Fort Walton Beach, I've been there before, right by Destin Air Force Base. Julie, you have a wonderful night as well. Thanks for tuning in. Sharon from North Vernon, and we've got Tammy from Sonora with some light rain. Julie asking, will it snow on Wednesday? For parts of the area, it looks like it will. We've got a pretty good chance of that. Let's take a live look outside, then we'll take a live look at the radar. So it's cloudy. We had a high of 48 today, just a 5-degree warm-up. So it definitely started to cool down behind that front that moved through yesterday. 43 out there now with rain being reported. Light north breeze. We've got some upper 30s in Indiana, lower 40s over Kentucky. And there's that rain spreading into the area. I want to point something out here. So this red right here is actually likely not all that crazy of heavy rainfall. It looks like it's called bright banding. That's the radar beam going up in the clouds, obviously, and it's reflecting off of melting snowflakes, and it looks like a very large object. So that bright banding is usually caused by a layer of melting snow, and then it comes down as rain, and it makes it look very red on the radar. Expanding out, a few thunderstorms are around Jackson, Mississippi, and some snow on the backside of that system over northern Arkansas, southern Missouri, where there are winter weather advisories in those areas. Some spots up there probably seeing around 1 to 2 inches of snow. Looks like most of us will not see snow out of this system. But we'll see probably about a ½ inch of rain or less. Heaviest amounts south of the Bluegrass and Western Kentucky parkways. And then you might see no rain from Scottsburg north. And here's the rain on FutureCast. And notice early tomorrow morning, just before sunrise, a few areas off to the east and southeast might be able to get a brief turnover to some wet snowflakes. But again, our air temperatures are above freezing, so no concerns of icy roads. It'll just be wet. And then tomorrow, chilly sunshine with highs in the 40s. We got a cold night ahead tomorrow night. As we drop down, it's going to be colder than that, actually. We're expecting 20s. And then Tuesday stays dry in the lower 40s. And we move ahead and we start to see that wintry mix coming in for Wednesday. A couple things to keep in mind Wednesday. If you see some snow, there could be some light minor snowfall accumulations, but it's going to be that slushy wet kind because temperatures are above freezing during the duration of this next wintry mix on Wednesday. So I don't think we're going to have any significant travel impacts. I think the roads will just stay wet in most locations. Here's another view of it with the GFS weather model starting early Wednesday morning with that light mix. Best chance for some snowflakes, Interstate 64 and north. And that's where we could see some light accumulations as well. Wednesday evening, the system already starts to move out, so it's just a quick hitter. The Euro and the GFS, very similar weather solutions here Wednesday morning. Rain over the southern half of the viewing area and some snow over the northern half. GFS snowfall total, inch or less over parts of Indiana. And then the European weather model has a bit more, 1 to 2 inches. What the Euro struggles with a lot of times, though, is the melting factor. As the snow's coming down, it's melting in the air. It's melting when it hits the ground. So that 1 or 2 inches might just be an inch or less as well. So not a significant system on the way by any means. And tonight we'll see our low temps in the 30s, a little chillier north, a little bit milder to the south, and then highs tomorrow at 45, mostly sunny, and it's going to clear out very quickly. The sunshine will return. 7-day forecast. We got a couple quiet days on the way, and then that wintry mix we just saw on Wednesday. A couple quiet days Thursday, Friday, and then late in the day Saturday. It looks like that'll be our next chance for some rain showers across the area. So still not a crazy outlook, which is that little wintry mix coming our way on Wednesday. So we got a question, are the streets safe for driving tomorrow morning? Yes, because we'll have above freezing temperatures and just rain. But the rain will be out of here by, again, around sunrise. So Heather wants the snow. Global forecast system, the American long-range weather model. So it is a global weather model. All righty. Just looking over some of your comments. Yeah, Adam Dufour, you guys might not see any rain whatsoever. It's pretty sharp cutoff for counties basically along the Ohio River. Let me switch my radar products here. Just some very light rain at the moment. It's just a nuisance cold rain. And cold rain, as some of you might know from watching the Facebook Lives over the years, probably my least favorite weather. Because if it's going to be this cold, it might as well snow. Ben Atkins, give us some more days to fine-tune that forecast. But there's a chance. And it looks like there's some bright banding off to the south there. Again, that's from the melting snowflakes. All right, 10:12. I will see you guys in about 48 minutes on WHS 11 News, The Night Team. Sleep well. Have a peaceful night.